Hey guys, what's up? So today we're gonna do a fun video. So a few years ago I did this video on whether baking soda actually lightens your hair or not. Well, I decided I would do an updated version, but I don't want to do it on my own hair. So I got some hair to test it on. And what we're gonna do is do a comparison and see how much it lightens this hair over a certain amount of time and compare it to bleach and see what happens. So let's get started. Okay, so what I've got today, some baking soda, peroxide, some regular conditioner, nothing fancy, applicator brush, a bowl, another mixing bowl for bleach. I've got the Wella powder lightening bleach, lightener, my bad, and 20 volume, and I just got this stuff at my local beauty supply store. So I decided to lay out a towel to start mixing everything on. Whoops, my bad. All right, let us get started. Okay, so hopefully this thing works. I've applied the bleach and the peroxide, and I'll check back with you every 5 to 10 minutes and see what's happening. Maybe I don't know, we'll see. I'm nervous. Okay, bye. Let's check back later. Okay, so right now they are rinsed out, and it's kind of hard to tell, but I can tell by spreading apart that they are quite a bit lighter. So this is the bleach and this is the baking soda and peroxide. And what I'm gonna do is blow dry it, and then I'll show you the finished results. So I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I think this is proof that baking soda and peroxide definitely lightens hair. So this is the original that I started with. This is the one I lightened with baking soda. And this is the one I lightened with bleach. And I left them both on for 30 minutes long. So there you go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this updated version from last time. I would not recommend, baking soda and peroxide is not that bad. I think either one of them is damaging, but if you want to lighten your hair just a little bit, baking soda and peroxide might work. If you want to lighten your hair a lot in a shorter amount of time with less damage, use bleach, but always, use a deep conditioner afterwards, or you know the drill. I'm not a hairstylist, I'm just experimenting, okay? So I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll catch you next time.